from your dust bath. I had to take a break from their dust bath.
Oh yeah, I saw that earlier.
What's going on, dudes? Hi, honey. Hi, RH.
So we recently discovered that the gray and white ones are roosters. He's full of dirt.
Oh my God.
We were taking a dirt bath earlier.
Did I interrupt your dust bath? You seem okay with it. You seem okay with it.
My chickens eat better than I do.
That is so not true.
Sure it is. Look at this salad they're eating. What are you doing, buddy? Oh yeah, don't get smart with me. Look at that. They've got cantaloupe, they've got tomatoes,
Grapes.
grapes,
Grapes.
lettuce,
Oatmeal.
cucumber, apple.
No bananas today, though.
Oh, they love bananas.
Pokey loves bananas. She's stealing a grape now. Usually she's stealing bananas. And they're running off when nobody can see her get them.
Typically when they like something, they'll take off with it. Like right now, don't peck my foot. Don't do it.
Oh, did you steal his grape? There's plenty of grapes to go around.
They'll take their favorite thing and they'll walk away with it. Like he's got a part of a grape.
Hey.
He's a goofy looking
Oh
chicken.
my goodness, really?
Rooster over there, he's
Shaking
got
that
something.
dust out on me? Are you chasing? Are you? What are you doing? What are you doing, funky chicken? You remind me of Rusty when he had his mullet. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, Rusty too. Oh no, you can't be.
Is he talking to you?
Yes.
Oh man. This is ridiculous. We can't have roosters where we live. We can only have girls. Looks like we've got 3 of them now. That's a bummer.
What? Yeah, just keep like that. Not Brody Pee. Not Brody Pee.
They're so tame. They love Mama.
Okay, you want to go back down and eat? Okay. Definitely think we should walk them in the parade next year.
Sure.
On leashes.
Absolutely.
I'm getting my ugly ass in there.
You can't swear on YouTube. You just ruined the whole video.
You won't bleep me out. Is that a yes?
Say hi to everybody.
Hello. Oh, the little ones is starting to shed her baby feathers.
Uh-oh.
Look how fine. Fine feathers.
What kind are the goofy looking ones?
Which goofy ones?
The really goofy look, the fluff and stuff ones.
They're bantams, silky bantam chickens.
And what are the red ones?
Those are Rhode Island Reds.
And the grays?
I don't remember.
They're roosters.
Yeah. Around here, they're called roosters.
He's a big boy. He's getting really big. Too
I
bad
know,
we gotta let
and I
him
love
go.
him. I don't wanna. But if we have to get rid of him when he's really big, and he's fast,
Yeah, I
we're gonna
know.
eat him right away.
We don't want that.
If we get rid of him earlier, then at least he can go, you know, make some children.
Get away from my foot. You peck my foot, I'll peck you back or something.
Look at that down there, H. You got a break? Didn't you just come visit me?
He's looking into the camera. That was cool. Get away from my foot. Don't even think about it. No.
They don't peck hard if they do.
I know.
Usually they're just trying to get a bug off your foot, or see how you have those tiny, I want to say dingleberries, but they're not. But you know the tiny little fuzzy things on the very tip?
Yep.
They'll pick those off. Alright.
What are you doing? What are you doing? They like pecking at rings.
Yes. I just try to go like this, so they'll peck a stone right out. Hi, baby. Hey, baby. Look at those floofers. Oh, those floofy. Floofy, floofy.
Hey, big guy. What's he doing, buddy?
He's handsome. His new name is Oz. He's the Wizard of Oz. This is Oz, and he is Oz. Mighty and powerful Oz.
Yeah. Hope you found something.
There's all the other ones. Look at name and Gem and Jewel and Diamond. And
I made him a swing, but none of them go on it. You should set one on the swing and see what happens.
I don't think that'll work.
No.
For one thing, it's not straight, so that might be something.
I did the best I could.
No. And we gotta do something, lower that a little bit and make it more stable so they stand on their perch. They have a thing that you can buy, but it's like $30 and it's a black thing.
Yeah, I'm not paying for a perch.
Like this, and then
I'll stabilize that
looks
perch.
like a broom handle or something like across it, but it only stands up. It looks like 4 inches or something.
Okay, YouTube. Have a good day. These are my chickies.